Hi, this is Sarah from Align with Sarah. This month we are talking about consumption for our piece of wellness, bringing awareness for that magic recipe of noticing and shifting and a lot of listening layered in, however feels the best, on what we're consuming. What are the thoughts that we're consuming? What's the environment that we're consuming? And in my effort of focusing on this area and growing this awareness, um, I am noticing what I like to watch on YouTube. And I do like to watch that guy he's got the beard, he drinks from the mug. His name is Nick something, I don't know. I love to watch Jim Gaffigan. He makes me laugh so much. And there's like uh the I like watching horse training videos because I feel like there's a lot of like thought of like I really appreciate all the noticing that happens. Ryan Rose is this person that is very aware of the needs of this animal, and I feel like I feel like I'm like learning with like I feel like it somehow enhances the intuition that I follow when I offer the restorative healing sessions. But this like common theme across all of them, including just the Jim Gaffigan thing, that there's this effort of thinking, so Jim Gaffigan offers this story and he offers this way of thinking about a very daily experience with kids or family or eating or exercise or whatever. And he offers a way to consume that information with a laugh or with like a lighthearted, like, I'm there too, and can you believe that we do this? And Nick with the beard and the mug, he offers these pieces of our life, a lot of things that are in the news, where he offers this up. Like, what are you consuming? Are you consuming someone's opinion, or are you going to consume these facts and make your own opinion? Is the that so that's the I picked three people for whatever reason, three different YouTube channels for whatever reason. And that Ryan Rose, that he's so aware of consuming the needs of that animal that's having these behavioral symptoms and understanding the problem that comes from those symptoms and then approaching the healing aspect or the relief um, in this place where you need to consume this thought constantly of where are we going from this? Like, well, okay, well, what's being offered now? So, to kind of wrap up all of that into this little piece of um, summary for this. So, the piece of wellness is consuming, and I'm offering into my thoughts, I'm offering out there for you to notice what it is that you're consuming. Are you consuming the end? Are you consuming your goal? Are you consuming things that help you focus on your goal? Are you consuming awareness of what's being presented as a symptom and discerning that from what is the problem? And are you consuming other people's opinions, or are you gathering information without bias to make your own choice, your own thought, your own opinion, and move forward with that? So this is kind of this is not even kind of, this is the final video for this month. We're here on the 31st of January. We're going to be shifting into a new piece of wellness starting tomorrow, starting in February. And the newsletter is going to go out. The blog post is going to be up. And I'm hoping all of this happens. I have a boo-boo on my finger that I'm dealing with, so fingers crossed, not that finger, that all of this typing and computer stuff can happen. And I will look forward to seeing you tomorrow in those avenues on some level. And I will put up a video tomorrow to talk about these things lots coming up next week because we have Let's Talk Tuesday and the regular video for the week. And I'll be due for doing a short. So there'll be a lot of things showing up here on YouTube next week. So please make sure you stay tuned. And please let me know how this information is received by you, what it's opening up, what it's making you wonder about. And I will talk to you again really soon. Thanks so much for being here. Take good care.